Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna upcoming with the newly arrived concepts in only the print variety sections. All the concepts I'm gonna showcasing you, but let me remind you that this is one of the starting range in of the Kesaria Textile Company, in which you will get these kind of very beautiful lycra wear concepts. See, with the range of 61 rupees only. See, these kind of lycra wear items with the quantity of 17 pieces and with these kind of different color shades. Apart from that, if you want in print designs in the fabric of Dani or Dani concepts, then also we will manufacture here. 12 to 13 pieces you will be get on the 12 to 13 pieces. Designs will be different, colors will be different, so no need to worry. And you are liking that designs will be same, but the concepts and color will be different, then also we manufacture here these kind of concepts. See, let me remind you, range will be 61 rupees to 200, 100, 105, 200, 150, that kind of ranges you will be get, and this kind of barcode system we will be provide. Suppose this kind of range will be 195, 4 pieces you will be get on the concepts of Turkey. Let me give you this kind of one of the simple and best concepts. I can open for you. Let me open. See, these kind of very beautiful concepts in which you will be get 6.30 meter approx length also you will be get. And apart from that, these kind of blouse systems or some pallu designs, beautiful design also you will be get. Concepts will be, the name of the concepts will be Turkish silk print, these kind of concepts. See, beautiful designs you will be get on these designs. Particular color will be, you will be get on that kind of concepts. See, these are the particular colors in these concept designs will be, you will be get. See, range will be like previously I tell 195 rupees only. And on the next wise, I'm gonna showcasing many of the bundles, guys. 7-8 sets also we have, and many of the customers are there that we have to only want 7 to 8 pieces in the different color concepts. So for them, this kind of variety. See, either it will be the Rainiel, either it will be the weightless or silk crepe. Many of the quantities or concepts you will be get in this kind of variety also. See, any of the item you will be get or like, then please know me in our comment sections. This kind of very beautiful fabric. See, next one, silk crepe item. See, fabric will be as according to the silk occasional fancy sarees you will be getting this kind of variety. And apart from that, if you interested in the Rainiel, then also we manufacture here this kind of variety in which you say Rainiel concepts also. See, these kind of semi-weightless concepts also we will manufacture here. Apart from that, these kind of very beautiful Turkish silk concepts also. Guys, apart from that, 7-8 pieces these kind of concepts I showed. But if you are wanting only 4 pieces of sets, then also we're gonna be welcomed here. These are the pouches or bags in which all these items you will be get the 4 pieces only on the set. Because many of the customers are there that they are not having that much investment. For them, they are also wanting that we have to purchase in a mixed concepts, then also welcomed here. Suppose let me open one of the set item. See, 175 rupees, 4 pieces you will be get 6 meter approx length Rainiel concepts. Let me open this kind of variety. See, guys, apart from that, we manufacture 20 to 25 different ladies wear category, guys. So no need to go to rush or roam here and there 10 to 15 shops or another company. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Company. And if you are not able to come, then also most welcome in our calling. Whatever the items, whatever the concepts you are selected in on the basis of the calling or video calling, the exact same product will be delivered, as the credibility responsibility will be ours companies. So guys, no need to worry. Any of the queries will be left in this video. Please know me in our comment sections. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.